when I met him, it was just a normal day, and chemistry lab था.
Not something you call a destiny or something that was like that only. जो टीचर था, मैं उनको अब तो याद नहीं है मुझे केमिस्ट्री लैब में कौन सा टीचर था, लेकिन आई रियली सल्यूट टू हिम बिकॉज द ग्रुप ही मेड, चांदनी वाज देयर.
हुआ फर्स्ट डे था वो मेरा कॉलेज का, एंड उसका एक वीक बिफोर वो ज्वाइन कर चुका था. देन नेक्स्ट डे अगेन वी हैड अ फिजिक्स लैब प्रैक्टिकल सेशन, so there also he met me, and fortunately we were in the same group again. पूरा वीक हम लोग मिलते गए, और डे बाय डे I came to know, and like he's a good person, or I don't know, I feel a connection between.
VIT is a huge college, so we used to roam around, but it was quite hard to gain her trust, and but later on it kept on going to the grocery shop nearby, going to the bank. All these things started building up, so it was like 4-5 days went by.
ऐसे ही एक वीक चलता गया, हम लोग डेली मिलते गए, डेली हम लोग कुछ ना कुछ प्रोग्रेस हो रहा था हमारी लाइफ में.
कदम बढ़ा ले, हदों को मिटा ले, आजा खाली पल में पीका घर तेरा, तेरे बिन खाली, आजा खाली पल में, तेरे बिन खाली, आजा.
Random idea popped up in my head, and that was like really random, and it needed a lot of courage.
1st August 2008 को I still remember the day.
Teacher was yet to come, and then I decided it's now or never. I have to do it. So I went in front of the class. There was a podium where teacher used to stand, and so I went to the podium. I was like a guy coming from Bihar, Patna, not very good in English at that time, and I didn't know what to say and all. So I went to the podium, and then I said to everyone, guys, I have an announcement to make. Instead, I should have said something like, guys, I want to share something. I was so nervous that I said, guys, I have an announcement to make.
I was sitting in the class, and सब लोग friends बन चुके थे उस time.
And then I asked Chandni to come to the podium. Chandni, can you please come here? So, okay, she made the courage. That was a courageous move what she did, because nobody in the beginning of the first week of the college, nobody can do that. So she came to the podium, and then said to her that Chandni, I love you.
क्या हुआ ये, क्यों मुझे क्यों बुला रहा है ये? तो I know we started liking each other since the day we met, but we never spoke about it, and it was a surprise for me. So he said, Chandni, I love you. Can you imagine, first week में इसने मेरे को ऐसे propose किया.
रंगरेज़ा, रंगरेज़ा, ओ रंगरेज़ा. कुन फयकुन, कुन फयकुन, 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 कुन फयकुन, कुन फयकुन, 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 फयकुन. जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था, वही था, वही था, वही था, वही था. जब कहीं पे कुछ नहीं भी नहीं था, वही था, वही था, वही था, वही था. वो जो मुझ में समाया, वो जो तुझ में समाया, मोरा वही वही माया. वो जो मुझ में समाया, वो जो तुझ में समाया, मोरा वही वही माया. कुन फयकुन, कुन फयकुन. सदक़ल्लाहुल अलीयुल अज़ीम. सवेरा मेरे तन बरसे कचरा अंधेरा तेरी जलती ला
रात के 2 बज रहे थे. I gave my final round, HR round, and they said, placement guys, like you can go to your hostels. And for boys, they were continuing giving the interviews till morning 6 o'clock. I think results came out in morning 6 o'clock. So I don't know what happened there. He just called me कि चांदनी मेरा प्लेसमेंट हो गया है. एंड सो मैंने कहा मेरा क्या हुआ. तो ही सेड कि तू भी प्लेस हो गई. मतलब वो जो फीलिंग थी ना, वो फीलिंग कभी नहीं आई मेरे को जिंदगी में. आई डोंट नो फ्यूचर में क्या होता है, बट जब हम लोग सेम कंपनी में प्लेस हुए तो वो बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग था.
The first thing she said, this is gonna go till the end. I'm not the girl who will stop in the between. This is gonna go till the end. You have to make sure of that.
Fly up